When an earthquake hits, it can cause a lot of damage to your home structure. But there are some things that you can do ahead of time to help prevent that damage. So today, we're going to go over 5 things that you should do to help make your house earthquake-proof. The first thing that you should do is make sure that any heavy furniture and appliances are secured to the walls. This is especially important if you live in a home that has a soft story. If an earthquake happens when you are not home, this will stop the furniture from tipping over and potentially breaking. If you do live in a home with a soft story, it's a good idea to move any large pieces of furniture away from windows and exterior doors. Large pieces of furniture can easily break a window or get caught in a door during an earthquake, causing a lot of damage. While you're at it, check that any tall bookshelves are also secured to the wall, as they can easily tip over. It is important to secure the water heater as well, as it can fall over and rupture, potentially causing serious injury. Another thing that you should do is use flexible connections for gas and water lines. Rigid connections can break during an earthquake, causing damage and potentially starting a fire. Flexible connections can help to prevent that by absorbing the energy from the earthquake. If you have a home with a crawl space or a basement, then you'll want to make sure that you reinforce any weak spots in the walls, foundations, or chimneys. Brace to prevent the walls from racking during an earthquake. If your home has a wood-burning fireplace, you'll want to make sure that the damper is secured to the chimney with a brace. During an earthquake, the violent shaking can cause the damper to fall into the chimney and get stuck, which can lead to a chimney fire. The next thing that you should do is install safety latches on any lower cabinets that have a potential to tip over. This is especially important if you have glass or a mirror in the cabinet. During an earthquake, the shaking can cause the cabinet to open, which can lead to the items falling out and breaking. Safety latches can help to prevent this by keeping the cabinet door closed. And finally, you want to identify a safe zone in every room of your house. A safe zone is a place that you can go during an earthquake to protect yourself from falling debris. The safest places are typically under a sturdy table or a desk. Make sure that everyone in your family knows where the safe zone is in each room so that you can all take cover at the same time. Earthquakes can be scary, but there are some things that you can do ahead of time to help keep you and your family safe. We hope that you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.